Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Nur Fitriani. I am the first of 4 children. I have one younger sister and 2 younger brothers. My father works as a private employee and my mother is a housewife. I was born in Bandung on February 16, 2001. I am currently studying at State Islamic University of Sunan Gunung Jati, Bandung, with a major in Islamic Communication and Broadcasting. Now, I am in the 3rd semester. There is a little story when I was not in this university. I am graduate in 2018. Previously, I attended 18 Senior High School Bandung, majoring in science. Initially, I enrolled in an Indonesian education university because my father really wanted me to become a teacher. However, to be honest, I have very little interest in that field. But because I wanted to comply with my father's wishes, I enrolled in Islamic Religious Education major. In the end, I was not accepted at the university, which made me postpone my studies for a year. During the year, I spent more time at my home, such as watching movies, helping my mother with household chores, and I also like to teach the Quran at the mosque near my home. A year passed. Finally, I decided to take an independent exam at State Islamic University of Sunan Gunung Jati, Bandung. At that time, I enrolled in a Islamic Communication and Broadcasting department, and in the second choice, majoring in psychology. Alhamdulillah, finally, I was accepted into this university with a major Islamic Communication and Broadcasting. I am so very grateful and happy because in the end, I can study at the university and department that I want. When I started college, I was placed in class A. I was very happy because I had good and fun friends. Usually after college, I and other friends always visit one of my friends' boarding house. Because the distance from my home to the campus is quite far and I go by motorbike, it sometimes makes me lazy to go home because I have to face traffic jams in Bandung. Currently, lecture activities are conducted online because the condition is still a pandemic. Even now, the city of Bandung is again implementing large-scale social restrictions. Because many people in Bandung are affected by the coronavirus. So that the number of infected people does not continue to increase, the government has agreed to re-implement it. Because the coronavirus is still in Indonesia, it makes us not free in our activities. And of course, we pay more attention to health. For example, nowadays, we wash our hands more often and always wearing masks when traveling outside the house. Besides, because the situation is still a pandemic, so I can hang out with my friends freely. Usually, every weekend, I always take my time to hang out. But now, I have to limit myself to going out and hanging out with other people. This makes me very bored because it is not free to go anywhere for entertainment. I can only stay silent at home with the pile up of college assignments. Yes, during online lecture, the lecturers gave quite a lot of assignments compared when studying on campus. So maybe that's all I can say. Sorry if there are so many shortcomings. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.